how to fix can't download CapCut error on your device. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Vipin Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix if you're not being able to download CapCut on your device on your phone. Now the process itself is quite simple. Now what you want to do is first you want to make sure you have proper internet connection. And the second thing what you want to do is you want to make sure that you have enough storage on your device. Now to do so, you can head into your device settings, right? Once you head into settings here, what you want to do is scroll down and you can either head into your battery and device care or just the storage option if you have on your device. And here under battery and device here, you can see I have storage option, and you can see I have plenty of internal storage. So you want to make sure that you have internal storage, enough of storage to install the application, and in case you don't, you want to make sure you delete the files that you don't need any longer. Now the other thing is, if you're not being able to download the application from Play Store or your Play Store error is happening, then you want to make sure that your date and time settings are set to automatic date and time settings. You can search in from the search panel for date and time simply here, and you can head into the date and time option, and here what you want to do is you want to make sure you have automatic date and time enabled, because if you have this disabled, then you'll get the error on Play Store that you won't be able to download any kind of applications as well. So this way you can fix can't download CapCut. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.